All right, so we're working on the F-250 project, and we're doing brake lines, rubber brake hoses, and some of the metal lines. I have taken the whole assembly off of the rear axle because the metal lines are rusted, and I got all new rubber hoses anyway. I wanted to show you something. Just another Ford, Ford engineering genius over here on the bench. So this is the assembly right here. Okay, we have the driver's side brake hose that goes to the caliper. We have the middle piece with the hose that goes up to the frame rail, and then it goes up and over the pumpkin, comes over to the passenger side rubber brake hose. So pretty normal. I'm going to replace all of this because the hoses are old and the metal line is just rusty. So this is funny though. This is funny because I've got all the fittings. These are your normal American brake line fittings. These little guys. So the one that's right here is this size. Fits a 3/16 brake line, and I don't know what the thread is, but it's the normal brake thread that's on like every vehicle. Same one there. You come over here, same one there. You go down to the end, and it's the same one over there, right? So 3 of the 4 are that size. But the geniuses over at Ford decided, well, let's just make this one a different size. So this one, I don't have that fitting because I don't usually stock whatever size that is. And it's ridiculous. That's Ford, Here's the new hose. This thread's right in there, no problem. But then I go to this side and it doesn't fit. It's too big, or the fitting's too small. I don't understand it. What's the point? But anyway, we'll get a new fitting and we'll get this all put back together again with some nice new brake line and nice new brake line fittings. Till next time.